guys, welcome back to the channel. I have Brianna with me today and we have gymnastics, so we wanted to film another gymnastic style. So let me turn you around. And I love that even though this is a simple Dutch braid, the way we did it, it looks elevated. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. I started off by having two part lines on the sides going from temples down to the neck, and I already braided one side, and the hair in the middle I tied into a high bun. Now on the other side I already put some argan oil in, so take a small section of the hair and split it to two equal strands, and we will do a regular fishtail braid. Take a small section of the hair from the left side and cross it over to the right. Take a small section on the right side and cross it over to the left. We have a very detailed fishtail braid tutorial on one of the Mannequin Mondays, so feel free to check that out. Continue with the fishtail and secure the braid in the end with an elastic.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
Now that we're done with fishtail, let's move to the middle section, and with my comb I'm making two part lines going roughly from crown towards each temple, so it looks something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Brush this section out and we will make a French braid going towards the forehead. So split your section to three equal strands and cross your right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it over the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it over the middle, continue all the way down until you picked up all the hair and reach the forehead. Once you've picked up all the hair, continue with the French braid, and I'm going to make about 5 to 7 stitches and go back and gently pancake the side of the braid like I'm doing here, and the same on the other side.
You said that you needed me like a cargo.
Take the braid and now flip it so it's facing the back of the head. I'm going to pancake it until I'm happy with the volume. And now we're going to continue, but since we flipped it, our braid now turned into Dutch. So I'm fixing my grip here and I'm going to start adding hair. And the reason why we had our part line on the angle is because right now when I add hair, you see that we're not going to be able to see that part line. So continue now with the Dutch braid and add hair on both sides. Continue with the Dutch. I'm picking up extra hair and adding it to my left strand and crossing it under the middle On the right side, pick up extra hair, add it to your right strand and cross it under the middle. We also have a very detailed step-by-step tutorial on Dutch braid, and I will link that tutorial together with the fishtail braid down in the description box, so feel free to check it out. So we're going to continue with the Dutch braid, and as I'm going down, I will go back and gently pancake the braid after every couple of stitches, just to maintain that volume. I'm not trying to go for perfection. I want this braid to look a little bit funky. So continue picking up hair until you reach the neck.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Once you've picked up all the hair, I will combine my fishtails and my Dutch braid together into a low ponytail, and I will use a topsy tail tool to hide that elastic.
Guess I can't help myself. Would you
Let's give it a final spin. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. Please leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think about this style, or what other styles or braids you would like to see in our future tutorial. As usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down below in the description box, and we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!